everyone, welcome back to another video. And so today, as you can tell, I'm finishing off my first ever tree removal, and that is along with the Spears and Jackson pruning saw. So I'm going to be using my pruning saw today. I'm going to be chopping up to small pieces, and I want to let you know, make the most of it, because this is probably going to be the only video with the tree removal. For next time you will see one would be like 10 years or a little bit less until I get into tree surgery, basically. So make the most of it, smash that like button, and we will get onto the video. I'll let you know, this is my first time using my pruning saw properly, so come on, you idiot. God damn. Yeah. God. You idiot. Come on. Ah. God. Mother. Ah. God. Ah. God. Boom. Boom. Okay, so I am finally done, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos, go and subscribe now, and I will see you guys later. Peace.